What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Gala games. Currently seeing at 0.02007. We're up 1.2 on the day, seeing a market cap of 665 million. 24-hour volume 64 million. So if we hop into the chart, we're starting to push up from our target zone. So now we look for that wave 5 target. Nice little long entry out of this zone here. As you can see, these target zones bounce, bounce, and once again, you're starting to see the bounce. So you can take a trend-based extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of the wave 3 and to the bottom of that wave 4. And normally you would target this 618, but because this was a deep wave 4, more likely you're going to push up at least to the 78.6, which is currently at 0.020367 in the wave 5. It can overextend. The one extension is at 0.02514, so I'd watch that target as well. But that's what you'd be looking at for Matic to complete that first 5-wave move off the low, giving us confirmation that the low is in, and then hold a way to pull back and see continuation back to the upside. So yeah, we pushed up into the resistance of 2 cents and we saw a rejection. But if we can get that bounce and continue back to the upside, then it's likely you're going to push up towards 0.024, 0.025, and then basically put in that right shoulder. So you have a left shoulder head, right shoulder, before seeing continuation back to the upside. It takes time. That's how it works with the market. It's not always explosive, as we saw right here, where it just melts your face. Often it's very slow, and as a trader, you just have to be patient and look for these kind of opportunities to trade the trend continuation instead of trying to trade corrections, which are much more challenging, much more choppy, and of course going against the trend. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. Make sure to join my trading group completely for free. Click the top link in the comments. You get access to many projects that I give crypto analysis, as well as my Forex signals. We're up 50% on the month with our Forex signals, which means if you had a $100,000 account and you're risking 2% per trade, that's $50,000. We're up 50%. So if you had a 10K, that's 5K in a month. So incredible month of trading Forex. All links are down below. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX for trading crypto. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.